We are getting off the ship today in Kahului, Maui. And she's wishing us a great day. And I'm here with Janet.
Hello.
And we are on the grandest of princesses, the Grand Princess. Hi. And we're going to exit through the gift shop. Although I don't think there's a gift shop here. So, Kahului is Maui, port of Maui. Of course, Princess used to tender into Lahaina, but I don't think they're going to do that anytime soon. We have never been to this port before. The times we cruised here, it was Lahaina, tender boat. These people are waiting for cabs or whatever, tours. Of course, there's the ship. Kahului, Maui, Hawaii. So we'll go this way, up into town, and then across the other way. And it's a little bit windy here today. There's the ship. We're gonna walk between these buildings, I guess. And it sounds like these are operating, whatever they are. So the walk from the ship into town is not very scenic, but it is marked. Pedestrian walkway over there. There's lots of cans of cat food, empty cans of cat food. At least Janet says it's cat food. Yeah, all the cans are empty. There's a sign. Of course, it points the other direction. He's whistling to them. Oh, because they got off the trail. To see this big tree. So this was the pedestrian walkway. That they check your medallion right there. We're out to the main road. You got a Whole Foods here. You got a Long's Drugs. Down that way is Ho'aloha Park with a nice beach. But we're gonna go to Kanaha Park, which is about a mile up there. Ho'aloha is less than half a mile that way. 10-minute walk. This one's gonna be more like 20 minutes. 1923, old Kahului Railroad building. I don't think they use it anymore. Well, not for a railroad anyway. I don't see any tracks. And it's getting windy. And that says the pier is 1 mile straight ahead and the airport is 1 mile off that way. So, well, this fence has several of these walkway to cruise ship signs. Of course, a lot of cruise ships stop here, not just Princess. NCL, Pride of America, stops here on a weekly basis, and any other cruise ship now coming to Maui stops here. Well, this is interesting. Stop pedestrian, turn around. I think we're going to go off that way. You know, left. Left. Left, right, left. I want you to know there's the ship. You can't get to it from here though. Not that way. You got to follow the signs around. But we're going to cross this not so busy road and walk on down this way. Well, the wind's picked up a little, and it's a good thing because we're surf's up, wind, wing, kite repair. Kanaha Kai Maui. Oh, we've walked about a quarter of a mile down this street. The ship is on the other side of these oil tanks, whatever. There is Island Grocery here. And this says private property. I thought we might be able to get to the beach there. You can see the beach is off in the distance. But we're going to go on ahead to where it doesn't say private property. There was the little market. And I think we'll be able to get to the beach right through these trees. I hope. Maybe not. I'm serious about private property here. So the market is way down there. There's a little bit of a homeless encampment here. And then the beach. And it was about a mile. Although it wasn't a very scenic route getting here. So it's super windy. And there's sand flying because of the wind. But it is turquoise blue water, although it's fairly rough. Of course, the airport is behind us. Sorry about the wind noise. But it's, you know, a lot of beach and not a lot of people. There are some windsurfers out there. I don't see any kite surfers today. There is a park up there with parking lot and, you know, probably food trucks or whatever. But if you want to go to the beach from the ship, you probably want to go to Ho'aloha. Probably not here. So as you can see, it's just bushes up here. Trees. No people. Not over here anyway. Somebody's got a board here though. The beach goes on and on. Kanaha Beach Park is up there. I don't know that they call this Kanaha Beach, but it's probably not worth your walk to come here. The other beach is, the water not as turquoise, but it's very calm and uncrowded also. On the other side of the road here is a wildlife sanctuary, but it's all fenced in. I think there might be a gateway up there where we're headed, but it looks like a swamp. So, wildlife sanctuary. Don't know the name of it. Don't even know what lives in there. Of course, these signs are on both sides of the road. So this sign is on a fence on the beach side, not where it says wildlife sanctuary. The little market is right there. There's a swamp over there. These all say wildlife sanctuary. We're gonna walk out here and see what there is. Looks like a shrine over here. There's like an estuary here. Hey, I see wildlife. Mallard ducks. Hawaii's finest. See the ocean. You can see the road, cars on it. And the lone shopping cart on the beach. Hey, the ship. Some old structure out there in the water, and that looks like a keep out sign. Somebody's got a canoe up here, a kayak. Beware of the dog. So the wind is so fierce there, we're getting sandblasted. But I guess this is part of the wildlife preserve. Although kinds of people living here all over. I noticed there's a wildlife sanctuary, Kanaha Pond, on that side, but there's not on that side. Over there, there's no trespassing signs, but that's where the water is. I don't know if there's water. I mean, I guess, oh yeah, there is water there. So we're gonna push on. On the way back, we decided to stop at Island Grocery Depot. Hey, they're getting ready for St. Patrick's Day. Need some tomatoes?
Good price for them.
Need an ATM?
There you go.
Need some water? Need some ribs? Frozen buttered coconut pie. Oh. Ahi steak Vietnam wild caught. So, just a little market. Got what you need, including liquor. See if we can smuggle that on board on the ship. They have poi if you want. You're looking. And chicharrones. Double cooked.
Green is Monday, blue is Wednesday, red is Friday.
This is Thursday. So from Kahului, Maui, and I'm Garrett.